starters for the UE Red Warriors in Pozas, Defeo, Piojo, Aligayon, Kamaymayan, and Bicar. The libero in Joshua Ray Villanueva. So a lot of returnees. Debuting coach and Coach Carlo with Lagando, Nicolas, Santiago, Castrodes, Francisco Clemente, and their libero in Soto. Clarence Santiago will start us off. The setter for the UP Fighting Maroons. Andre Bicar straight to the quick. That one popped up. Clemente. Triple block was there. Another one. It looks like this will be a free ball for UE, but out of bounds. In his first year for UE. And first time in the starting lineup. Santiago, the setup for Castrodes. Went drop ball. Piojo again, this time denied.
Let's see if they heat up in just a bit as we see veteran Lagando on deck to serve.
Bicar, the setup, combination.
So far, almost 90%.
Piojo to serve. The set to the left pin, Clemente. Checked at the net. Bicar will answer with Debs Aligayon. Stuff block for UP.
Greatly timed by Francisco.
Back set, Lagando's been quiet so far. He's being checked. Bicar, the toss, the right pin, and Pozas will score. Right now, Defeo is serving. Santiago, going middle. That's Francisco scoring the point.
Good.
Asaron will receive. Back to the middle. Balik agad sa UE. Back to the middle again. Kamaymayan makes sure this time.
Gandang diskarte dyan ni Bicar.
Nice receive. Adjustment by Francisco. Bicar will set it up. Back to Joshua Pozas.
It's been a good collaboration with a lot of set points. 6 at the moment.
Di na uso ang warm-up para kay Rahim. Bicar, in the meantime, Kamaymayan putting it down. As the UE Red Warriors taking set number 1. Kamaymayan has been busy as well, being activated. Take a look at this one more time.
Over and over.
Bicar will start us off. Santiago bumps it. And a miss hit there for Clemente.
And yan yung kagandahan sa mga floater, biglang bumabagsak.
A high bump set, Aligayon. Give it to the hot hand.
So it had pancake touch or anything. So let's see if Aligayon will continue his streak. Oh, and yes, he does.
Mixing it up is Coach Carlo. Nice receive by Aligayon. And that is the result.
Defeo continues to contribute. Kanina ganda na naging block niya.
Back set. And flying high is Piozas.
And with that reaction after.
We're getting a game within a game here with Rahim and Aligayon. Right on cue!
That did not look like a pipe attack.
What a great matchup right here. Aligayon and Rahim for their respective teams. 3-point lead UE. Back row Piojo. Soto with the save. Clemente. Checked at the net. Santiago this time to the hot hand. Drop ball naman. Villanueva will set it up. Aligayon. Soft touch. Rahim from the back. Dug by Piozas. And Clemente with the help of the net. Debs. Denied.
That was the longest rally of the game so far.
And UP slowly getting momentum here. Castrodes will serve it up. Over receive. Regalo from Dan Nicolas. A 2-point lead here is UE. Sharp serve. Rahim from the back.
Oh, sharp serve. Returned by a sharp attack. It is becoming a...
Nice receive by Soto. Just like that. Just like that.
Tingnan mo naman, pag hindi kailangan mag-adjust, it's always a perfect execution by
He
Rahim.
can dunk a basketball with his elevation. I'd like to see that. Right now, they're down by one.
Easy.
Little tight. Clarence. Double block was there. Andre Bicar to the pipe. Triple block was there. Santiago chases for the ball. Back row. Dug up by Bicar. Villanueva sets it up for Pozas, which was blocked by Dan Nicolas.
Yan yung isa sa mga pinakatatakutan ng mga players eh. Kasi sinasabi ng coach, watching. Pero ngayon, babawi for being unable to cover after that emphatic kill.
Buti na lang may replay.
Oo, kasi hindi natin marirealize.
Tied at 23. Race to 2. Piojo. Soto. Clemente. And here comes Bicar. Who will he choose? He will go for Piojo. That was denied.
Look at Rahim also contributing on the blocking department and the way.
Escalon, Mela 2-9. Set number 3. Tied at 1 set apiece. And a service ace right away. Medyo may kumpiyansa na rin tong UP.
And that's why even Aligayon did not insist on calling for a challenge, but there's no to where he took off.
Bicar, little too low for Kamaymayan. Another try for Bicar. Offhand by Kamaymayan. This will be a free ball for UP. Santiago sending it to Nicolas. The save by Pozas. Debs Aligayon. Was there a check ball? No, there wasn't, according to our first referee. Good receive. De Guzman. Oh, that's in. That goes for De Guzman.
Tanchado, that challenge.
Are tied at 21.
But magandang character building experience ito for the very young squad of UP.
It's a race to 4. Andre Bicar, pinabawi si Piojo, naiangat ni Castrodes. Rahim for the lead!
Coach Carlo reminding his boys. 13 points already for Nicolas.
Bicar, they need one. Block!
Whoa!
A wall was formed. Big. Here's the video challenge. It's in. Right at the line.
Look at Rahim. The more experienced squad compared to the younger UP team.
Sharp serve. Rahim from the right back. And that one's outside.
UE clearly looking stunned right now.
Aligayon will receive. Bicar will set. Debs Aligayon. Is that his first point?
That is his first point. Finally, firing up for UE dahil kanina, good thing.
Crucial service.
Oh!
And a service ace for the UE Red Warriors.
The substitution for Coach Jerome Guhit face off. Ganda ng target na yon. Defining for UE, and that's what we saw right there in the final end of set number 3.
As we welcome you to the 4th set. UP looking to extend this to a 5th set. The push, the back pedal by Aligayon. The set by Bicar, the quick to DeFeo. Rally ongoing. That one with the help of the net. Piojo off the block, count the point.
Himself after scoring that off the block.
Clarence wanting Francisco for that one. Pozas been quiet as of late. Santiago, a high bump set for Rahim, giving a free ball. Here comes Bicar, now to the quick, and Francisco was very much ready.
Francisco, that's his 4th point and 3rd block of the game. Napaka-crucial.
Bersano will receive, and Axel De Feo says not in here. Another great start for UE. This has been the trend in the first 3 sets. Sharp serve. Combination play, blocked by Santiago.
Oh. Well, kanina, in set number 3, ginagamit niya yung kamay ni Santiago, lalong pag natitira na naiiwan siya na single blocker lang. But this time, making sure, and of course, seeing new talents for every team right now. As we take a look at this block touch challenge, malayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the challenge by the University of...
Daming plays na pwedeng gawin. Perfect pass.
This time they were ready for Kamaymayan. So he sends it to the open. Piojo, although, was asking for a check. Kaya magcha-challenge dito si Coach Jerome. Has 15. So the rookie and the vet getting things done.
Ladies and gentlemen, the
That is extremely close.
Has yet to make a comeback here in set number 4.
Santiago, combination for Castrodes, looking for the back zone. But the point will go to UE. That was too long. And right away, that's Piojo scoring first blood.
Not much here at the opening game, but he still has his chances.
And a kill block by Francisco. And we are going to a set number 5.
What better way to kick things off here at the season 87 UAAP Men's Volleyball.
The serve to the Guzman, Santiago. The set. Villanueva will play setter. And Pozas.
Floor touch, bago ng pancake. So this is
Aligayon, first ball. Balik sa kanya. Rahim. Straight to Roca. Roca will attack from the opposite side. Dug up by Castrodes. Rahim elevates. What a dig by Andre Bicar. A free ball for UP. Clarence Santiago will choose the middle. Nicolas Villanueva with a dig. Aligayon with the intelligent play.
And look at the Fighting Maroons fighting for every...
Santiago, that's a tough set.
Oh!
Rahim was blocked! Des Aligayon! Oh my goodness!
Sinet sa kanya, ni Aligayon rather.
Race to 2. Buckle up your seatbelts. Here we go. Bersano. They will go to Rahim. This is for the win. Andre Bicar to the quick. The chase, and we are tied at 14. An extension here in this 5th set thriller.
And no one's even gonna think that both these teams were at the bottom of the standings in season 86. They're playing with talent, amazing heart, and there is a center line fall if they get to receive this one, but it is Aceron who's serving right now.
Santiago will go to the open. Rahim pulling it down.
And that is why Coach Carlos said, walang magbabago, dun pa rin tayo, regardless of that.
Roca to serve. UE looking for the win. The go-to, Rahim. Breaking the block.
Look at the effort of the UE libero to keep that ball alive. Villanueva sacrificing his body, hitting the...
This is for the win for UP. Aligayon, pinabawi. Oh, sent back right away. Andre Bicar, the toss, back to Aligayon. The blockers were there. Joust, UP has it. Clarence Santiago to Rahim. Naibalik ulit. Now to the open, the Guzman. What a save! And UP getting the win in their first game of UAAP Season 87.
De Guzman ang tatapos.